Christian entrepreneur, here's what you can learn from Dave Chappelle. Now, recently, Dave Chappelle hosted a Saturday Night Live, and what he did, he had a monologue where he actually reintroduced the topic of anti-Semitism and bringing up even with Kanye and Kyrie. See, what Dave did was actually find another angle to bring up this conversation that needs to be had. Now, you may think the conversation needs to end, but there are some things that needs to actually be dealt with even in this matter. So you as a Christian entrepreneur, as a business owner, you have a product, you have a service, and you need to find ways to reintroduce it to the people that actually needs it. So here's the deal. If you do an ad, let's say a paid ad, or you organically you're talking about your product or service and how it can help other people, do you quit? Do you give up after the first try? No. You find another way to bring it to your customer, bring it to your clients, for your potential clients, because it's you believe in it. There's something that they need and you are able to help them. And so that's why I want you to find another way, find another angle to get your product or service or the transformation your product or service can do in the lives of others. So my encouragement to you is to think about other ways that you could get or reach out to your customers or your potential clients. And let me know what you think about this whole scenario, and go ahead and check out my special offer, limited time.